Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hopefully there's a few of you returning here, or welcome to my channel. So today I sat down and I filmed this look here. I kind of love it. I didn't love it in the middle there, but you know, just trust the process and it's fine. This video is hopefully going to be a little bit shorter than my last one. I don't want them to all be super long the way the last one was, although I did really like my last video because we really went in depth on like pretty much every aspect of how I do my makeup. Here's hoping. So if you want to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. I've been sitting here for so long. Yes. Okay, so I already have my base on. Brows are gelled. I just figured I would start with that all on because it's exactly the same as in my last video. I do not want every video to be that long. So I'm starting with the P. Louise base in Rumor 2. And I'm just blending that out with my beauty blender. So we're gonna be using the rawbeautykristi and Colourpop at Forest Sight palette. I'm feeling like I wanna do something kind of green and yellow today. I'm gonna start off with a Morphe M505 brush and the shade Chanterelle. I'm really just gonna start by like patting this in, getting a nice concentration of color. And then same to the other eye. Then I'm taking this sad looking M533 brush. I don't know what the heck I did to it. And just really buff this all out. So I'm taking the shade Fiddlehead. I'm just gonna start packing this on. I want to slowly start working that upward, being very light-handed while I'm blending this out. Then I'm taking this 221S from MAC to get right up in here. Just starting to create this like messy halo here, just leaving this blank for shimmer shades. Okay, so we got sort of this like grungy halo eye going on. I'm going back in with the shade Chanterelle and I'm just gonna buff along the edges of that green so it's not super harsh. Really just go back and forth until you're happy with it. I'm gonna take a Morphe 167 brush and the shade Evergreen. Doesn't seem to be picking up all that well, so I'm gonna wet my brush first. And I'm just gonna start packing this on in the center. I'm gonna leave most of that center for a different shade. So now I'm taking West Coast on a MAC 242 brush And this is going in the center. And just start working it into the other shade just a little bit. Let me use my finger a little bit too. It always starts off looking really messy, but usually it comes together in the end, so. I feel like I'm at a good stopping point with the eyeshadow, on the top at least, so I'm gonna do my brows. These are the Milani Weekend Brow in Soft Brown and Espresso. So first I'm taking Soft Brown and really small hair-like strokes. I like to start building up the thickness and the shape with this one because the Espresso shade is so much darker. The darker shade, Espresso, just places where I need a little more definition. For my bottom lash line, I'm taking a MAC 239S, I think it is. And that fiddlehead shade again, and I'm bringing this all along the lash line. So now I'm taking the eyeliner from that same rawbeautykristi and Colourpop collection. This is called Spare Time. And this is just going on the lower lash line. And then a Morphe R43 brush. And I'm taking the shade Emerald City. I really like those two greens together. I might bring that up here, because that's really pretty. Okay, I'm really happy that I brought that second green shade in, because there was something missing before. So I definitely think that this look calls for a big wing liner. So this is the NYX Epic Ink liquid liner. So we'll just kind of follow the shape of the eyeshadow. Oh, I totally just messed that up. Oh my god, what did I do? I will be right back. So I saved it, but only because now it's ginormous, and that's fine. We're just gonna ignore the fact that these liners are on different planets. So now I'm taking my Upswing mascara from Bite. A lot of bottom mascara. This look is definitely gonna call for large lashes. These are called Baddie, and they're by Lashes by Ari. Like, they're huge. I'm taking the eyeliner called Marigold from that same collection. I'm gonna do my face next, but first I'm gonna add my little beauty marks. I'm gonna take a little Give Me Sun and a big fluffy brush. And then my butter bronzer, a little angled face brush. Okay, for blush, I'm taking this Fashion District from Colourpop. I'm not sure if that's what the blushes are called or if that's the color. For a little highlight, I'm taking the Physicians Formula Rosé All Day Petal Glow. Now I'm taking this Profusion ES6 brush. I'm gonna wet it. My little Morphe M131 brush. I think that's it. So let's add a lip here. I'm gonna start off with this Morphe lip liner in Sweetheart. Now I'm gonna be taking this Bite Beauty matte lip crayon in, I'm gonna say this wrong, Calvados? Calvados? I don't know. Oh. Oh, I like this a lot. We are done. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Takes a second. Subscribe, all that stuff. I always forget to say that because I feel like it's a little redundant, but I would appreciate if you liked and subscribed, stuck around for more content in the future. All right, well, I think I'm done talking. I don't have a cute way of saying goodbye to you guys yet, so I'll see you in my next one. Bye.